Nung una ko narinig ang stoicism, akala ko cold at walang emosyon. Pero nung na-burnout ako, dun ko na-realize being calm is a superpower. Maraming bagay sa mundo ang hindi mo kontrolado. Views, sales, opinions ng ibang tao. Pero ayon sa stoicism, may isang bagay kang hawak, sarili mo, ang mindset mo, ang reaction mo. Kaya kahit takot ako mag-risk sa bagong venture, ginawa ko pa rin. Kasi Stoic believes we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Sabi ni Seneca, real talk. Gustong-gusto natin maging consistent pero sumuko tayo kapag wala tayong validation. Gustong-gusto natin magbago pero pag mahirap na, balik sa luma. Some say, dapat sundin mo ang feelings mo. But feelings change every hour. Discipline stays. Self-improvement isn't about control over the world. It's about control over yourself. That's all for my day 5 of daily growth practice and day 31 of reaching my 100k before I turn 18. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Peace out.